Morning, my dear lovely kids. How are you all? I hope you all are studying and taking good care of yourself. Now I'm back again. So in the previous class, I taught you Grandpa Farooq's garden till we haven't completed the chapter. So what I taught you that Amir's favorite place was Grandpa Farooq's garden. They both used to go over there and spend time, and after working together on the garden they used to enjoy the fruits. But one day what happened, Grandpa was very upset. Then Amir asked, what happened, Grandpa? So Grandpa said, my garden is dying. So Amir asked, how the garden is dying? Then he told that these pests are eating my garden leaves. So Amir thought how he could help the grandpa in saving the garden. Then Amir asked, what we can do to save the garden? Then grandpa told that we need some ladybugs to save the garden. What these ladybugs are going to do? These ladybugs are going to eat the pest. Then what Amir said, don't worry grandpa, I will bring these ladybugs for you. So where Amir has gone to home, and after going home he searched everywhere to find the ladybugs. But on the next day, while coming to home from school, he found ladybugs on the road. And how many ladybugs he found? He found 2 ladybugs. And that ladybugs he has put in the small plastic box. And on the very next day, Amir looked for the ladybugs in the football, around the football field. And how many ladybugs he have found? He found 3 ladybugs on the leaf, and he carefully picked those ladybugs. Now what happened next, that we will study today. 2 days later, Amir found 4 more at the park. So what happened 2 days later? Amir found how many bugs at the park? 4 ladybirds at the park. He picked them up and ran home. Now his box had 9 ladybirds. So first he found 2 ladybirds while coming from school to home. Then again he looked in the around the football field. He found 3. Now he has found how many? 4 at the park. He picked them up and ran home. उस चारों को भी वो घर पर ले आया. Now his box has how many ladybirds? 9 ladybirds. The next morning, Amir went straight to Grandpa Farooq's house with a big smile on his face. अब next morning Amir कहाँ गया? ग्रैंडपा फारूक्स हाउस. ग्रैंडपा फारूक के घर पर गया एक बड़ी सी स्माइल लेकर. क्यों? क्योंकि अब उसके पास लेडी बर्ड्स थी और अब ग्रैंडपा का गार्डन सेव कर सकते हैं. He showed grandpa the box with lady birds. उसने वो बॉक्स दिखाया ग्रैंडपा को. ग्रैंडपा देखो खड़ा है ना आमिर, और ये बॉक्स दिख रहा है. Grandpa couldn't believe it. The grandpa couldn't believe it. Grandpa को विश्वास नहीं हुआ. You have done well, very good, my boy. Now grandpa बहुत खुश हुए. Oh my boy, you have done so well. जब आप कोई अच्छा काम करते हो, your mother, your father, anybody, your teacher used to praise you. Now grandpa is praising Amir. Grandpa said with a tear in his eye. Grandpa की आंखों में आंसू आ गए. क्यों आंसू आ गए? क्योंकि उसे बहुत खुशी हुई कि आमिर ने इतनी मेहनत करी उस गार्डन को बचाने के लिए, और इसलिए ग्रैंडपा की आंखों में आंसू आ गए जब उसने ये लेडी बर्ड्स देखी. Amir and Grandpa opened the box in the garden. Now where they have opened the box? They have opened the box in the garden. and let the ladybirds out, और खोल दिया और ladybirds को बाहर आने दिया. The ladybirds liked their new home. They had many pests to eat there. उनको वहाँ अच्छा लगने लगा और उसको बहुत सारे पेस्ट मिल गए खाने को. From that day on, Grandpa Farooq's garden did what gardens should do. It grew and grew and grew. तो उस दिन से ग्रैंडपा का गार्डन जैसा वैसा होने लग गया जैसा वो था, और वो मस्त बढ़ता चला गया और बढ़ता चला गया. आई होप यू ऑल enjoyed the story. It's very interesting. I love teaching it. I hope you also loved while reading this story. Now let's start new words. That is difficult words. Chapter 2, Grandpa Farooq's Garden. So dictation. CLOSELY, closely. CLOSELY, closely. CLOLEY, closely means carefully. जब हम किसी चीज को बहुत केयरफुली और ध्यान से देखते हैं, it means closely, पास से देखना. Chewed off, CHEWED, chewed off, OFF, off. What is chewed off means? Bitten off, मतलब खा लेना. chew करते ना आप, कुछ भी चीज chew करते हैं, चबाते हो. chew means चबा के खा लेना, bite कर लेना. Ladybirds, have you seen the ladybirds? LADY, lady. BIRDS, lady. Birds, finished. FINISHED, finished means खत्म हो जाना. FINISHED. Dying, DYING, dying means मर जाना, मर रहे. Dying means मर जाना. Now look at the word meanings. Plucked, PLUCKED, PLUCKED. Plucked means तोड़ना, किसी भी चीज को तोड़ना. To remove or take something, किसी चीज को तोड़ना. Pest, pest पढ़ा था ना, PESTS. Insects or animals that eat plant parts, खाते हैं ना जो insects और animals क्या खाते हैं? प्लांट्स और उसके पार्ट्स को. च्यूड ऑफ, बिटन ऑफ, कुछ भी चीज को बाइट करना. व्हाट आर बग्स? बग्स मीन स्मॉल इंसेक्ट्स, छोटे छोटे इंसेक्ट्स को क्या बोलते हैं? बग्स. ट्विग्स, TWIGS, small and thin branches. Have you seen twigs in the book? I shown you na. Now make meaningful sentences. Pluck, we should not pluck flowers, or we should not pluck flowers. हमें flowers को तोड़ना नहीं चाहिए. Gently, GENTLY, gently मतलब पता है आप लोगों को gently क्या होता है? Do you know what does gently means? Carefully. Slowly, children should play gently. बच्चों को धीरे खेलना चाहिए. Gently means slowly. Carefully, we should walk carefully on the road. Carefully मतलब ध्यान से, हमें रोड पर ध्यान से वॉक करना चाहिए. Now, with this, our chapter number 2, that is Grandpa Farooq's Garden, is completed. On the next turn, I'm going to explain the grammar portion of this chapter. Till then, read the chapter again. And I'm sending all the notes on the eGyan app. Kindly note down the notes in your notebooks and learn it. Take care. See you.